Hi, this is Joel Hendrickson. I'm going to show you a demo of how the F5 Management Pack can be used to respond to a traffic spike by adding server resources. I have System Center Operations Manager up on my screen showing a couple different views. In the top pane, I'm looking at a diagram view of a load balancing pool with 3 pool members. In the middle pane, I'm looking at a graph of the current number of connections for each pool member with the graph legend on the bottom. 2 of my pool members are handling the traffic load, while a third pool member is a standby server. The standby server has been set up in a lower priority group on the big IP so that it will only receive traffic if the high priority group of servers encounters a problem. Let's look at Virtual Machine Manager. I've got 2 web servers currently running and serving traffic, while a third web server is shut down until its resources are needed. I'm now going to spike the traffic to the virtual server using a traffic simulation program. This will cause the big IP to start sending some traffic to the standby server. I've set up a trigger using the F5 Management Pack to respond to this scenario by using Virtual Machine Manager to start a new server, followed by adding that new server into the big IP's primary load balancing pool. Let's look back at Virtual Machine Manager. The virtual machine is now starting up. In Operations Manager, the graph shows that the connections have spiked and some connections are being routed to the standby server. Virtual Machine Manager shows that the virtual machine is now fully started. In Operations Manager, I'll refresh the diagram view. This shows that another pool member has been added to this pool. Notice that the pool member marked in a critical state is our standby server. I'll refresh the performance graph and we can see that the standby server's connections drop back to 0 as it is no longer needed. The original pool members are now able to fully handle the traffic. This causes the health state of the standby server to return to a green or successful state.